And in today's episode, I will be making a detoxifying and sebum balancing scrub. That means those of us that are suffering from excess oil on the face, and then face is rough, you cannot get your face smooth, then this scrub is for you. This is a herbal scrub that will help to fight acne causing bacteria. It will help to regulate oil production on your face. It will calm and soothe your inflammation on your face, and then it will remove dead skin cells, giving you a smoother and more healthier looking skin. So if this today is your first time viewing this channel, do well to subscribe and then like this video. I have tons of videos in the channel that will benefit you even if you are a total beginner in skincare formulations. So I've measured my sugar right there. Is the exfoliating agent that we'll be using in these formulations, and this is my moringa powder. I'm using moringa powder because it's helped to fight acne and acne causing bacteria. It's very good when making any herbal product, either soap or scrub, right? It's very good. Like, it's as good as neem powder or even better. So we are using moringa powder in this situation. We are just mixing our dry ingredient before the wet ingredient. So I always advise, when you are dealing with skin issues like acne, pimples or breakage on your skin, any kind of skin issue that make your skin so sensitive to products, when you want to use scrub, please avoid salt scrub, because salt is more harsh on the skin, and then you're going to scrub it. Like, just avoid salt. And again, all these poppy seeds, walnut shell, I feel like they don't give enough exfoliating that we need for you to see that visible results in like 1 to 2 days of using you get. So just stick with the sugar, okay? To be on the safe side, just stick with the sugar and just formulate your scrub the right way, and then wait for magic to happen. So I've finished mixing the sugar together with the what is it called, moringa powder. The scrub is going to be green, well, army green. So because we are dealing with, let's not forget, acne, pimples, anything detoxifying, you do not want to use oils that will clog your pores. You do not want to use oils that will have like maybe 3 to 7 or 10 comedogenious rating, that will clog your pores, because it's very important for you to know the oils you are dealing with. Like, because you can finish formulating right product, but then because you use the wrong oils, it will end up worsening your situation. Forget that this is just scrub, is wash away. It have impact. Like, the oils can penetrate deeper and go into your tissues, and then when it penetrates and then it went into your body and then it clog your pores, like, you have bigger issues than you even like imagine at the first place. So it's very, very important for you to know the right oils to use in formulating which scrub, because this scrub now, Harimi, is just normal scrub that you would give to normal person that doesn't have any skin issues. Doesn't have any skin issues. You can use coconut oil, you can use, let me say, you can use all this almond oil. Is normal. But then you are giving this scrub to person, or maybe you are using this scrub because you have acne or pimples. Don't go near anything coconut oil or any oil that clog pores. So that's why I always advise you, don't just see skincare formulations video on YouTube and feel like you are expert enough to start formulating skincare product and start selling for customers. Like, it doesn't work that way. You need a proper training for that, which bring me, we are currently undergoing a skincare training with a 50% discount. There is link in my description box where you chat me directly to my WhatsApp. It's a paid training, it's not a free training, please. Some of you come to my DM telling me that there is I said there is training going on. Okay, they want to join. I said okay. When I send you what you'll be learning and then the price, you'll be like, you thought it's free. Like, come on, guys, come on. Are you for real? Are you for real? Seriously, I'll be giving you free videos here, and then again I'll be taking you back to give you free training. Like, that's expert training. Like, for you to know ingredients, for you to know how to formulate a professional products, be giving to your clients that will be fetching you a lot of money. So of course it's a paid training. Okay, you're welcome. So as you can see, we use jojoba oil. It's a very, very good when it's come to sebum regulation, when it's come to controlling excess oil on your face. Jojoba oil. And then I use sunflower oil. The reason is because it have like 0 homogeneous rating. It doesn't clog your pores at all. Like, that's the reason why I use that one. So it's very, very important, like I said, for you to know your ingredients before you start formulating anything. As you can see, this gel will help to smoothing your face if you know how to use it properly. If you know how to exfoliate your skin with like this jelly type of scrub. So don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.